Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn how to ask questions in English using the verb to be. Let's look at these examples. Look at the difference. In a statement, the subject comes first. In a question, we change the order. Today we'll practice this step by step. We have you are a student in affirmative form. And the question is, are you a student? Tell me in the comments. To make a question with the verb to be, we simply invert the order. First goes the verb and, is, and are. Then the subject, I, you, he, she, we, they. And finally, the complement. Let's see some examples. Now we have the grammar structure in interrogative form. Verb and is are plus subject plus complement and plus question mark. Let's look how we change for each pronoun. In a statement form, you say you are happy. But in interrogative form, you say are you happy? Remember the intonation. The second one is she is a doctor. But interrogative form is she a doctor? And this one, they are friends. Are they friends? See the difference. Remember, in this case, in grammar structure interrogative form, don't forget the question mark at the end. In English, we only use this closing question mark. It's time to practice, guys. I give you a sentence and you change into a question. Are you ready? Let's start. The first exercise is repeat after me. He's tired. How is the question? Think about it. This is the question. Is she tired? The second one is in affirmative form. We are ready. And the question is, are we ready? Good practice, guys. I want to tell you about this topic. When someone asks you a question with to be, you don't always need to answer with a full sentence. We use short answers. Let's see. Here is the example. When someone asks you, are you happy? You say in affirmative form, in a short answer, yes, I am. Or in negative form, no, I'm not. Another example, is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Or no, she is. Right? Notice that in negative short answers, we usually use contractions like isn't or aren't, except for I am not. For example, are you hungry? You say I'm not, or yes, I am. Easy, right? Good job, guys. These questions are for you. Are you a student? Is English easy? Tell me in the comments here. Bye bye.